Pakistan has always preferred and has always argued that we want peace in the region because we have fought 3 wars and it solved nothing, rather brought more poverty, unemployment, and other problems on both sides. So the lesson is that we have to sit down on the table like peaceful neighbors and settle our outstanding issues, including Jammu and Kashmir. Without resolving these issues, I don't think we will have peace in this part of the world on a long-term basis. If we want permanent peace, then we need permanent solutions of Jammu and Kashmir, water distribution. Then, once we resolve these issues, sky is the limit. We can then talk of trade, we can talk of exchange of business communities, delegations, and of course also cooperate in the field of counter-terrorism.